Hello, welcome to my video. I'm V-Shing from DVS. In my previous video, I talked about Datavideo PTC-140, a pan-tilt zoom camera short for PTZ, which is ideal for small organization. In that video, I show that PTC-140 supported by a few different remote controller. This is my list. But I recommend to use from Datavideo PTC View Assist app. Why I recommend this? Because this app allows you to monitor the camera with it, and it's almost free. All you need to do, or all your additional costs, is buying the network cable and the router. PTC View Assist app is free. Now the next question is how to link the PTC View Assist with the PTC-140. In a simple description, get a Datavideo PTC-140, a Wi-Fi router, a network cable, and an Android or iOS tablet with Datavideo PTZ View Assist app installed. Connect the PTC-140 LAN port with a network cable to the Wi-Fi router and use the tablet with the PTZ View Assist app installed and control it, the PTC-140 camera with the Wi-Fi signal. Alright, that is a simple version, but I will go to you a more step-by-step process, and in this process you will see how you get the IP address, link to it, and get it work. Step 1. Before you do the connection, please check and confirm the IP address of the Wi-Fi router. You can use advanced IP scanner for Windows or network scanner apps that is available for Android phone or tablet. Step 2. Try to standardize the IP address between the PTC-140 and the Wi-Fi router. PTC-140 factory default IP address is 192.168.5.163. You can change the router to follow the PTC-140 IP address or change the PTC-140 to the router IP address. For example, if the Wi-Fi router IP address is 192.168.0.100 and I want to change the IP address of the PTC-140 to the same as the Wi-Fi router. So I change it into 192.168.0.163. To change the PTC-140 IP address, please read the PTC-140 manual. Step 3. Go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for PTC View Assist app. Download and install it into your tablet. Note, you can install your Android phone, but I recommend tablet for bigger screen. Step 4. Connect PTC-140 LAN port to the Wi-Fi router LAN port. Don't connect to the internet port of the Wi-Fi router. And finally, connect all the power supply and switch it on. And step 5. Open the PTZ View Assist app. Go to the menu on the top right. In menu camera page, select Auto and press Scan. The PTZ View Assist app will look for the PTC-140 camera IP address. Once detected, The IP address of the PTC-140 will show beside the camera section, and other information of the PTC-140 will display like here. Now you can control the cameras using this by tilt up or tilt down, tilt left or tilt right. Alright, this is a step-by-step that I show you to how to link the PTZ View Assist app to your PTC-140. Why I recommend these cameras? Because it's ideal for small organization, and because you can control, you don't need so many manpower to control the camera. If you need to grow to have more cameras, this with PTZ View Assist can help you expand up to 4 cameras and still using the same people. The best of all, these cameras, Datavideo PTC-140 is priced around 5,900. Please take note, I recommend you to install this PTZ View Assist app onto a tablet, which is bigger screen, bigger area on the touch screen. You can able to control and monitor the camera. Why I recommend PTZ View Assist app? Because number one, it's a cost. With just a Wi-Fi router plus the cable, you can actually up and running. All you need to do is go to Apple Store or Google Play Store to download and install this app, which is actually free. The second reason why I recommend this to use, because this use Wi-Fi coverage, and Wi-Fi coverage is quite big as long as you put it at a sufficient high area and no obstacle hindering the signal. So you can be anywhere within the area and still able to control the camera. You use cable or physical remote control, you need to be as near as possible. Then thirdly, I strongly recommend this app because the same app you can preview or monitor the camera with the app. So you don't need to get a special monitor, a separate monitor to put it in front of yourself so I can control it. Don't need to. This app also helps you to monitor it on your tablet. So this is a few reasons that I strongly recommend to you. I hope you learned something about it. I hope you'll be able to take this knowledge and apply to your organization. All right, that's all for today. I'm V-Shing from DVS. Thank you. Goodbye and God bless.